Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel once again, and it's another unboxing video. Just now I came back from Jumbo Electronics and look what I bought. Sony Bluetooth earphone, which is a unique earphone, model number WI-C310. It's a round neck earphone, and in this video I will not take much time, but I will cover very few important points like style, comfort, stability, build quality and pros and cons. So please don't miss any second and watch this video till the end. Let's do unboxing now. Let's open this box now and see what's there inside. Oh, I opened opposite side, not a problem. In this box you will see this is Type-C charger, this is earphone and user manual as usual, nobody's this, and additional earbuds. So let's see other features. So guys, I'm using this earphone since past 2 to 3 days, and first I will talk about style. The Sony WI-C310 are fairly simple around the neck headphones with a soft and flexible neckband design. You can see it's a very small, right? And you can do like this. The cables are flat and fairly long, which creates a big loop when putting them in your ears. Wow, I feel good after putting them in my ears. They have a rubberized cover and the buds are very small, you can see, very small, and they don't protrude much out of your ears, and they comes in different colors like black, blue, white and golden color. I have a golden color.
Now I will talk about comfort. The WI-C310 are fairly comfortable for in-ears. They don't go too deeply in your ear canal and don't apply pressure inside your ear. Since the buds are very small, the headphones feel lightweight, but some may be annoyed by their long cables that can be bothersome. They come with 3 tip sizes to help you find the most comfortable fit. However, the in-ear fit might not be the most comfortable to wear for a while. Let's talk about one-touch hands-free calling. Calling a friend from your connected smartphone, touch the multifunction button and you will be ready to get the conversation started. It's time to say goodbye, just press it again and end the call.
Let's talk about build quality. The Sony WI-C310 don't feel like very durable headphones. The two modules feel like they are made from thin plastic and fairly fragile. While the cables are rubberized and flat, they feel thin and look like they could easily be pulled from the bud housing or the modules. On the upside, the buds are magnetic. As you can see here, they both are stick together, which helps the cable management when they are dangling around your neck. Let's talk about stability. The Sony WI-C310 are stable enough for a light run or workout. However, a very small tug on the cable is enough to make the buds fall out of your ears. While their wireless design means you don't have a wire in the way, the earbuds cables are still very long, creating big loops when wearing them, so be careful not to get them hooked on something. The Sony WI-C310 are decent mixed usage in ear headphones. They are very lightweight, their neckband design is flexible and portable, and they will be stable enough for running. They have a decent sound profile but might be better suited for bass heavy genres. The bud cables are very long, creating big loops when wearing the headphones, which may be a bit cumbersome. On the upside, they have a good 15-hour battery life and isolate well against work environment noises, but won't be the ideal choice for public transit. They are decent all-around headphones and offer good value, but don't necessarily stand out from others similar in ears. So finally, let's talk about pros and cons. If we talk about pros, it has a decent audio reproduction, 15-hour battery life, portable and flexible around the neck design. If we talk about cons, it has a slightly cheap build quality, mushy control buttons on your left side. There are 3 buttons given over here. The upper one for volume up, and for down it's for low volume, and the middle one you can answer your call, power on or off, and also it's a Google Assistant button, and for Apple Siri also you can use it. Always on side tone when using the microphone. There is no multi-device pairing option, and last but not least, and which is very important, this is not a waterproof and sweat proof. Before I was using this Bluetooth earphone, which is very similar to Sony. I will not reveal the brand name. The main disadvantage for this earphone was one-touch hands-free calling option was not good, and if I want to answer any call, the other person, they cannot hear my voice clearly. So that's why I'm going to throw this earphone in garbage, and I will start using this earphone now, because if you want to buy a Bluetooth earphone in a reasonable rate, what 3 options you are looking for? First, sound quality, second, battery life, and third is hands-free calling option should be clear. So I will recommend you, this is the best option from Sony, which will cost you 140 dirhams in UAE market, and in India it's around somewhere 2600 to 2700. So I'm closing this unboxing video with saying I hope you guys enjoyed this video very well. Just don't forget to hit the like button, share and subscribe my channel, and I'll be back again with more videos like this. For the time being, please watch my vlogs and unboxing videos. This is Asad signing off. Bye bye, take care and have a great day. And I will enjoy my music now.